Hello everyone. Um, it is currently 5 hours until chapter 5, and that's of course the best time for a theory. Alright, so what do we have here? The lake. Ding ding ding. This is it. You only need to see her once, and you'll move on. That's right, we will only see Noel once, and that's it. No more Noel. Noel is dead. You answered the field of pink and gold. I have some bad news for you. No, you'll figure it out yourself. You know what that means? That's right. No else that she does not survive until the field of pink and gold. And you know what will happen? That's right. We will drown her. That's why it's a lake. Perfect place. The body will just flow away. No evidence. Actually, maybe Chris will drown her. I don't know. And she won't visit Castletown either. Yeah. This has been the most true Deltron theory ever. In 5 hours, you will see I was right.